Today I'm going to show you how to switch to viewing mode in Word quickly and easily. This is a really useful tip if you want to read a document without accidentally changing anything, or if you want to review content in a clean, distraction-free mode. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. In the top right area of the window, look for the editing button. You'll usually see it near the share option. This is the control that tells Word which mode you're currently using. Click on the editing button and a menu will appear with different options. From that menu, select viewing. As soon as you choose viewing, Word will switch out of edit mode and into a read-only style view. This means you can scroll through your document, check formatting, and read the content without making accidental edits. It's perfect for reviewing final drafts, checking someone else's work, or simply viewing a document safely before you make changes later. If you need to go back and edit the file, you can always click the mode button again and switch back to editing. That makes it super easy to move between reviewing and working on your document depending on what you need. So just remember the simple steps. Go to the top right corner, click editing, and choose viewing. It only takes a second, but it can save you from making unwanted changes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Word tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.